Hello, welcome. Let's look at this question number 15 for JAMB Past Question Chemistry 2018. What volume of oxygen will remain after reacting 8 cm cubed of hydrogen gas with 20 cm cube of oxygen gas? Is it A 10 cm cube, B 12 cm cube, C 14 cm cube, D 16 cm cube? Please take note, this 3 is actually superscript. All the 3's on the cm cubes are superscripts. Now, how do we solve this? This is a very simple one to solve, because first of all we need to write the equation of this very reaction of oxygen and hydrogen. So if you have hydrogen, which is H2 gas, reacting with oxygen, which is O2 gas, you know you are going to have H2O, which is water. Now, how do you balance this? We have 2 hydrogen here, 2 hydrogen here, 2 O2. So how do you make this O to 2? We are going to put 2 in front here. But now the head is now 4, so we have to put 2 here. So you can see the ratio here, 2 is to 1. Then on this other side we also have 2. So now anytime you're having 2 of hydrogen, you're having 1 of oxygen. Therefore, if you have 8 cm cube, 8 of oxygen, you're supposed to actually have 4 of oxygen, because this one is always half of hydrogen is always oxygen. So when it was 2, this is 1. So when it's 8, this should be 4. But in this time around, they are saying if you react this 8 with oxygen, which is supposed to take off 4, but we're having oxygen 20. So how many will be remaining? So it's going to be 20 minus this 4 that is already taken up to give us 16 cm cubed. So the answer is D, 16 cm cubed. So very simple, you have to write the equation, then you have to deduce what your answer is from the equation. Thank you.